Make sure that you have a killer topper, honey.
Glamorous, penny pincher. Glamorous, penny pincher. Glamorous, penny pincher. Glamorous.
Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous penny pincher Chelomie, and today I'm going to share 5 designer tips with you to elevate your Christmas tree. So if you want to know what those 5 tips are, you know exactly what to do, guys. Just keep on watching. The first tip to elevating your Christmas tree is to add ribbon. Ribbon adds elegance, it's beautiful to look at, and it adds so much texture to your tree. Now make sure that when you're choosing your ribbon, you're choosing the ribbon that has wire on both sides. What the wire does is that the wire helps it to be more flexible, it's more pliable, and it can bend and straighten up and do exactly what you want it to do. So that's the first tip, is to make sure that you get ribbon. In addition to getting your ribbon, you can get them in various sizes. So this one that you're looking at here is like a 4-inch wide ribbon, and this one is a 2-inch. Another thing that also adds elegance with ribboning is to layer your ribbons. Now you can layer 2 to 3 ribbons at a time, and that will definitely take your tree to the next level. Always get ribbon to add to your tree. The second way to elevate your Christmas tree is with your ornaments. Now, a lot of times the ornaments come with a little string for you to attach to the tree. Take those out, right? And replace them with thin velvet ribbons. Now you can get these ribbons from anywhere. You can get them at the Dollar Tree. You can get them at Hobby Lobby, but that adds so much elegance to your tree and makes it look really high end. Simple move, but very impactful. Remove the strings and replace them with actual ribbons. The third way to elevate your Christmas tree is to add beautiful picks and sprays. Now you just push these in, use them as fillers, use them for your topper on your tree, and that definitely adds more texture, it adds color, and if they're sparkly, it adds a little bit of glam to your tree. So picks and sprays. And again, guys, you can get those anywhere. You can get them from the Dollar Tree. You can get them at Hobby Lobby, Walmart. Be sure to get the ones you love early before they're gone. Like I am picking up picks and sprays in August. As soon as Hobby Lobby puts them out for sale, I am there. I'm getting my picks and sprays because the ones that are beautiful are the ones that are gonna go first. So picks and sprays takes your tree up a few notches. It adds that elegance, it adds sparkle, texture, and of course what we all look for, beauty. The fourth way to elevate your Christmas tree is to stick to a nice color palette. Now, over the years, you have seen me do different colors. Last year, and maybe this year, I am sticking with my black, white, and gold theme. I don't know, I just love it. My house is decorated in black, white, and gold, and so I just carry in the same colors, the same color palette to my Christmas tree, and guess what? It makes it easier for me to decorate because what I'm doing is I am just incorporating the colors on my tree to the colors that are already in my home. So I don't have to do a lot of changes of the pillows, the drapes, and all the fun stuff that we love to do around Christmas time. I just incorporate the colors in my home into my tree, and I work with that color palette. So make sure that you have a nice color palette and mix and match. When I say mix and match, like I have the gold mixed with the white, the black, you can have purples, pinks, you can have different shades of green, different shades of purple, different shades of gold, bronze, you name it. Make sure that you have a great color palette and you work with your palette from your topper to your ribbons, to your ornaments, to your tree skirt. Work within that color palette to have your tree looking fantastic, amazing, stunning for this upcoming Christmas season. The fifth way to elevate your Christmas tree this season is to make sure that you have a killer topper, honey. The right topper is going to complete your tree. It's going to add the sophistication, the elegance, the sparkle, everything that you're looking for. So for this case, I'm using this bow topper, and I went ahead, of course, and added my little jewel piece. This is a brooch, guys, that I added to the front of my my bow tie, and then I added some extra picks and sprays at the very top. Like I said, a killer topper is going to seal the deal, and it's going to be that one element that stuns your guests when they come through your door and sees your Christmas tree. So don't forget to make sure that your topper sealed the deal for your Christmas tree this season. So there you have it, guys. 5 simple tips to elevate your tree this season. We have covered all of them. We have covered the topper, the sprays and picks, changing the strings in your ornaments, making sure that you're using good quality ribbon, okay? Ones with the wires in it. And lastly, we also covered using a beautiful color palette that suits your decor aesthetic. And you know what? Just for the sake of it, I'm gonna throw in a 6th one. Now this should go without saying, but you'll be amazed. Make sure that you fluff your tree. I can't say that enough. Fluff the tree, fluff the tree, fluff the tree before you go adding all of these beautiful things on it. Listen, as beautiful as the tree might be in the pictures that you saw when you purchased it, if you don't fluff it and make sure that all the branches come out and looking good, adding the ornaments, they're gonna be lopsided. Things are just gonna look out of place. So as a bonus, fluff your tree and you will absolutely see the difference when you start to decorate it. Okay guys, that is all I have for you today. Merry Christmas in July. Yes, there I said it. Merry Christmas in July. I cannot wait for the Christmas season to be here so I can continue to decorate my home for Christmas. I'm going to open my calendar starting August 1st so you can book me to come in and decorate your Christmas tree. Take the stress, the ifs, I'm too busy out of it, and leave it to me. I'll get it done for you. Now, if you live in Georgia, in and around the Snellville, Lawrenceville, Loganville, Swanee area, hey, give me a call and I will come in and get your tree all ready and done for Christmas. Now, if you live in another state and you're like, man, I wish she was here, no problem, fly me out and I'll come out and do your Christmas tree. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I thank you for clicking on this video, and I would love for you to consider becoming a part of the Penny Pincher family. It is real simple, guys. All you have to do is to hit that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you already know how I feel about you guys. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.